Hi, this is Kashpanisa Bagewari. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to talk about what is Microsoft Azure. This is introductory video and this is for beginners. I am going to record some series of videos for the beginners who want to learn and who wants to have some hands-on in Azure platform. So from this series of the video, this is the first part and it is about the introduction. So let's start. So let's see first agenda. We will see in this video what is Microsoft Azure, what is Azure offers, what is Azure portal, and what is marketplace. So let's start with what is Microsoft Azure. So it is nothing but a cloud computing platform which launched in 2010 by Microsoft. So with the help of Microsoft Azure cloud platform, you can build, test, deploy your applications and your solution in a cloud platform. It provides wide range of cloud services in different tech sectors like compute, networking, and storage. It having a global infrastructure which consists of region, availability zone, and data centers. So Azure currently having 60 plus regions. In each Azure region, they having multiple availability zone, and in each availability zone, there may be multiple more than one data centers. So it is a very good infrastructure all around the world. Azure having and Azure offering 90 plus compliance. So, for example, PCI, HIPAA. So, this is a big number about the compliance which Azure is offering. And 95% Fortune 500 companies trust their business on Azure and they are using Microsoft Azure cloud platform. So, this is again a big number from the Fortune 500 companies, and every year Azure is investing 1 billion US dollar for the security. So for their infrastructure security or application product level security, they are investing a big amount to provide a better secure solutions to their users. And about now let's see about Azure offers. So what Azure offers to their customers. So from the Azure, it having multiple solutions. They providing multiple products and services in as an infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service, and serverless offering as well. So with the help of serverless, you can just deploy your application, and you no need to about maintain and management about the servers. So you can have any kind of solution with the within your Azure platform. So Azure providing services in compute, networking, and storage. So you can just deploy any virtual machines. You can have containerized application. You can have different options for networking like VPC and any VPN services. And from the storage you can have blob storage and file storage options. For from the database also you can have database storage options for MySQL, PostgreSQL, Cosmos DB, etc. So you can, as per your requirement, you can just select any of the service, and it is good to go with the Azure as per your requirement. And Azure offers flexibility, scalability, elasticity, and security. So if you are having a small application or a huge large application, so Azure provides the flexibility in any kind of service or any kind of product. You can just go and build and deploy, and you can have a better scalability as your application or your product demand increases or decreases. It auto scales it with the help of scalability, and you can have elasticity as well. So if you are not using anything, you can it goes automatically down with the help of elasticity for some services. And you can have security with the help of airbag and different with the help of IM and different security services you can use to make sure your product and application are more secure. So you can have like in your application or product, it may you can have flexibility, scalability, elasticity and security. And you can start free with the Azure account. You can just go and register yourself at free of cost. You will get 12 months free with some services with some usage limit. So you can go free for 12 months with Azure. Plus Azure offers $200 credit for first 30 days. You can take benefit of that. And after that you can just pay as you go model. So whatever you use, you have to for that usage as per your usage only. So you no need to worry about any upfront cost. And you can have benefit of Azure with in terms of disaster recovery and backup if you are already having some data center on premise, or you already using some other cloud platform, but you can still go with Azure with the in terms of disaster recovery and backup purpose. So all these are offerings from Azure. Now let's see about the Azure portal. So portal is nothing but the nice attractive GUI. It is web-based unified console, you can say. So with the help of this portal, you can create your resources, you can monitor, manage and deploy your services and your applications. So you can see here, you can just create any kind of resource like virtual machine or app service, or even you can create some databases. You can have some containerized applications. So this will be give a better platform, and it is easy to use to build, deploy, manage and monitor your applications. So with the help of attractive GUI, your life will get easy. And now let's see about Azure Marketplace. So Azure having multiple partners, they having vendors, and some startups are they are providing their products and solutions which are based on Azure. So Azure Marketplace having the all those products, those are certified and those are optimized with the Azure. So you can just go find, try and purchase and provision your applications and services with the help of these partners and vendors. So it will be easy and faster way. You can just go with the marketplace, and you can be ready to go with your product and solution with the help of any of this marketplace product. So all these products are certified by Azure, and they are optimized for Azure platform. So it is easy to go. So this is about the marketplace. So that's it for today. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.